two particles of masses m1 and m2 move toward each other along a straight line with velocities of u1 and u2. So they collide and stick together, determine the velocity of the combined system. So they move towards each other, meaning that we can have the first object moving in this direction with a speed of u1, and then we can have the second object moving in this direction with a speed u2. So now understand that this is happening, this is before collision. Now what happens after collision? So after the collision, they become one mass, and they will look something like this. We have this object here, that is the first one, and we have the second one right here, because remember we said that they stick together after collision. So this means that you can either move to the left or to the right with a common velocity. So I'll just say the common velocity is v. So to break this down, we're going to use the summation of momentums on the left and on the right. That is known as the conservation of momentum. So we're going to say the sum of the initial momentums before collision is equals to the sum of the final momentums after collision. There are two objects, so we'll say momentum 1 plus momentum 2 is equals to momentum 1 prime plus momentum 2 prime. Now momentum is mass times velocity, but for velocity we're going to use u. So u1 plus m2 u2. This is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Now remember, they stick together after collision, so they become one mass. So if they become one mass, it means that they have a common velocity. So v1 will be the same as v2, which is just v, the common velocity. Left hand side as it is. So we'll have m1 u1 plus m2 u2. This is equals to m1 v plus m2 v. So I'm writing v instead of v1 and v2 because they are common. So now this is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equals to m1 plus m2 v. So since we're looking for the combined velocity of the system, that's what this question says, we can divide both sides by m1 plus m2. So this means that v is equals to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. All this is over mass 1 plus mass 2. So there you have it. This is the velocity of the combined system.